Okay, so by using JavaScript we can validate the forms, okay, using JavaScript validations. So for example, if you go to Google sign up form, add account, create your account here. So without enter any values in these text boxes, okay, click next step button. Okay, these fields are asking, okay, showing error messages. Okay, you can't leave this empty. Okay, you can't leave this empty. So like this we can display the error images by using JavaScript. Okay, so validate the forms in the client side only by using JavaScript. Okay, we have to validate the forms must and should without enter any value. Okay, without enter data input, user inputs, we don't save the record in database. So for this, use JavaScript to validate the forms. Validate forms. Okay, so like here regular expressions is there, expressions, and required field validators, required required field validations, and regular expressions, and compare validators. Okay, compare validators, and range validators. Okay, range. Okay, so these validators are available to validate the forms. Okay, required field validator and regular expression validator and compare validator, range validators, and then next. Okay, so these validations are available. So recurve field validator. Okay, recurve field validator use it to must and should we have to enter the value. Okay, any value you can enter. Okay, you have to enter any value in input text box. Okay, so and regular expressions, um, you have to match the expression. Okay, you can match the user inputs, can match the user inputs to the expressions. Okay, we have to write the some expressions and compare validations. You can compare the two text boxes. You can compare multiple fields like password and confirm password. Okay, password field and confirm password field. Okay, must and should we have to compare the two fields. Okay, next range validators you can use this validations to give the date. Okay, date range from date to end date. Okay, start date to end date. Start date and end date. Okay, so this is the range validator. So if you, so for example, we can implement one registration form. So add one HTML form. Registration. So okay, create our registration form with fields like first name, last name, okay, and email and password, confirm password. So like that. Okay, so by using HTML table tr td. So first td, first name, okay, column name, and in second td column, right? In this column, text box, first name text box. Okay, first name and id for text box, txt f name, first name, and this is the first row, and in second row last name. Okay, first column td, input type equal to text, placeholder, last name, id, and name. Okay, so run this first, so you will get the one idea. Okay, so like this you can display the registration form. First name and last name field. So h1, create our Google account. So this is the heading. Okay, and remaining fields, first name, last name, and email id. Okay, in third row td, email or username. Okay, email or username. Next td. Okay, second column input type equal to text, and placeholder email and id, txt email, next password, input type equal to text box. Okay, for password field there is one type for password. Okay, password text boxes is available. uh, Password txt password, and next row confirm password, type equal to password, placeholder, confirm password. confirm password. Okay, so confirm password and email password, normal password, and next row TD and mobile number. Okay, mobile number. So for registration form, mobile number, input type equal to text box, placeholder, mobile number and ID, txt, mobile, and final last row, one text, one button. Okay, submit button. Input type equal to button, value, save. Next, we can use on click. Okay, so when you click on the button, we can save all these information to the database. Okay, so we have to write some logic to the backend. Okay, to save the data. So just we are creating the HTML registration form. Okay, so first refresh this. Okay, so our registration form is like this. So when you click on save button, so we have to validate these forms. Okay, these fields. Okay, if without enter any value in this text, these text boxes, if you click on button, so it will show the error messages like please enter first name or please enter last name. So like this. Okay, so this is the number of ways to write to show the error messages. You can show error message in alert box, or you can show the error message like Google. Okay, registration form. Okay, like this you can show the error message, or you can display this message in alert box. So if you want to do like this Google form, okay, so take this one span here and ID sp fname. Okay, and style color red color. Okay, text color red color, and display none, and the text is you can't leave this empty. Okay, so when you click on this button, the save button, it will show the error message. Okay, so we have to check this text box, this text box is empty or not. So use script. Okay, script and write function javascript validate forms. Okay, so we have to call this function name in button on click event. Okay, on click event. So here create one variable. Okay, first name variable, and document dot get element by id, txt fname dot value. Okay, so text box first name value saved in fname variable. so that you can check this fname equal to empty. Okay, if fname equal to empty, so we can display the error message. So span document.getElement by id sp fname span fname dot style dot display equal to block. Okay, and document.getElement by id txt fname dot style dot border equal to 1 pixel border, red color and solid. Okay, so by using javascript we can add css properties, so like this. Okay, so now run this example. So without enter any value, so click on save button. Okay, so you can't leave this empty. So like this you can display the error message. So you can't move to the next field without enter value in first name. Okay, so you can't leave to the next field. So like this you can write next fields also, where last name equal to document.getElement by id txt lname dot value. Okay, and next else if lname equal to empty, copy this and paste here also, and last name. So if first name text box, okay, value is there, you can remove the this message. You can remove this message. Let's save this and click on this button. Okay, so first name is showing the error message. Okay, enter value and save. Okay, so now we have to remove this first name message, okay, error message. So after you enter the value, so this is called regular require field validator. You can remove the message in second condition, display none. Okay, sp first name span must be display none, and the text box border is okay, and 1 pixel and solid, okay, without red color. Okay, so like this you can remove the error message after you enter the value in text box. So like this remaining text boxes also. Last name and email. Okay, next email, where email equal to document or get element by id, txt email dot value, email. So now here if email not equal to empty, okay, so not equal to empty, we can check the error message here. We can show the error message in else part. Okay, next span email. Okay, you can change this message. Okay, please enter email, please enter last name, please enter first name. Like this you can change the text. Email, text email. So now we have to check the email validation. Okay, so email is correct format or not. Okay, so email format should be like abc@gmail.com, okay, or abc@yahoo.com, okay, or hotmail.com at the rate hotmail.com. So like this email format should be like this, must and should. Okay, at the rate and domain name .com or .in or .org. Okay, so .uk, .in. So like this email formats is there. So must and should we have to check this format, okay, to submit the email to the database. So for this one regular expression is there to check the validation field. I will show this example. Okay, so this is the email expression. Okay, so this is the format of email. You can search in Google also for email expression. Okay, JavaScript email validator. So you number of expressions is there, but this is the correct format. So this format is here. Okay, this is the before at the rate. Okay, this part is before at the rate. Okay, here at the rate is there. So this part is before at the rate and this part is after at the rate. Okay, after at the rate, this is the Gmail or Yahoo, okay, or any domain name. After .com, this is okay, after .com, after dot com or in or org, okay, or uk or us. So like this. So what is the meaning of total this one? So this is the expression, okay, to allow caps A to Z or small a to Z or 0 to 9 numbers, okay, digits. Okay, this part is yellow, caps A to Z and small a to Z and digits and underscore and dot and hyphen. Okay, it will accept. and after at the rate also same, caps A to Z and small a to Z and digits, and also hyphen only it's allowed, and after that A to Z, small a to Z, caps A to Z and numbers, and after that this is the range, this range there. Okay, 2 comma 4, this is the range for .com or .in or .org. Okay, the length is must and should only 2 to 4 characters. So this is the email expression. So we have to check this expression with the text box, email text box. If okay, so email, okay, email and email expression. So here not, okay, if condition not email expression dot test, okay, test method. So already predefined method, this is the test method, predefined method to test the expressions, and email is the text box value. Okay, so this is the text box value. This text box value is testing to this expression, it is matched to this expression or not. Okay, if not, okay, this condition, if not, it will show the error message, it will show the error message. Email another message, email 1, please enter correct format, correct format, correct email format, email 1, and this text box. Okay, so if this text box value is not matched to this expression, it will show the error message. Okay, please enter your correct email format, and otherwise it will goes to another else condition. So this else condition to password fields, where password equal to document dot get element by id txt password dot value. Okay, so like this we have to write validation for passwords also, alert. Okay, after all fields are entered successfully, okay, we can display the message, successful message, data inserted fully. Okay, first name and the last name, okay, and email. So please see, observe here, okay, only enter the text, save. Okay, please enter correct email format. So at the rate and g.com, okay, save. So data inserted successfully. Okay, so we can remove the error message like previous text boxes. Email none, text email, and no border for text box, email text box. For email one also none. Okay, so that this error message also removed from this. Please enter correct email format @gmail dot okay dot c. Okay, check here. Okay, so dot c also not correct. Okay, the length is maximum 224, so that dot in or dot org, and like this we can give the values. Okay, so this is the example of registration form with the validations. And our assignment, today assignment is, okay, today assignment, write javascript validation for password and confirm password. Okay, must and should compare these two passwords. If password is in first text box 1234. Okay, confirm password also must and should 1234 only have to accept, otherwise it will show the error message. Okay, so write your javascript logic. Okay, write your javascript logic to compare these two text boxes. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so this is very easy, and this is the one example. Okay, one assignment, and another assignment is mobile number. So mobile number also number of formats is there. Okay, US mobile number format, India mobile number format. So like this number of formats is there. Okay, for example, US mobile number format 123 hyphen 456 hyphen 7890. Okay, the format should be like this. Okay, got it. So the mobile number field, merchant should accept this format only. Okay, if you enter value like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, like this, so it will show the error message. Okay, merchant should, you have to enter the mobile number like this. Okay, this is the second example assignment for today. Okay, I will show you one example. Okay, so create your example like this. Okay, first name and username, password and a confirm password, and date of birth. Date of birth here January, February, March. So like this you have to create the drop down, and day, year. Okay, like Google. Okay, day and year, and here gender also. Okay, male, female, other, and phone number. So phone number should be accept only yes mobile number format. So this is our example. So this is our assignment. Okay, you have to write JavaScript validation like this. Okay, so I have already done this example. Okay, confirm password and date of birth, okay, and mobile number. Okay, so it will accept only yes mobile number format. No, only accept only mobile number. Okay, not yes mobile number. Okay, so this is your assignment. And next pending topic is events in JavaScript. Events in JavaScript. So the events are used to user actions. Okay, user actions means when you click on the button, if you want to run the JavaScript function, okay, you need the event, okay, for button, that is on click event. Okay, so this is the event to run the JavaScript function when you click on button. So these events are used to user actions. So this is the one event, and the second one is on change event. So this on change event execute a JavaScript function, okay, when you change the selected option of a select element. Okay, so execute JS function when you change the value of a select element. Okay, select element. And third one, next one, on mouse over, and the fourth one, on mouse out. Okay, and fifth one, on key down. And the sixth one, next on key down, on double click event, on dbl click. Okay, when you double click on button, it will execute the JavaScript function. Okay, on mouse down and on mouse up. Okay, so on mouse over, on mouse down, mouse over, on mouse up, on mouse enter, on mouse enter, on mouse leave. Okay, so these four events are same. Okay, on mouse over and on mouse enter works same as, okay, works same, and on mouse out and on mouse leave also uh, same functionality. Next, on context menu, and eighth one, mouse center, onload. Okay, onload event. So these are the important events. Okay, for if you want to learn mm, more events, you can go to events, JavaScript events. Double three JavaScript events. Okay, so here number of events is there, mouse and mouse events and keyboard events. Okay, on key down, on key press, and key up, and object events. Okay, on scroll, on resize, on load, and form events, then drag events, and clipboard events, copy, cut, paste, and print events. So number of events is there. Okay, you can practice all these events. Okay, in real time also. So these events are very important. Okay, so on click already completed, and for on double click use only on dbl click. Okay, so if you double click on this, it will execute. Okay, for single click it will not execute. Okay, double click and it is JavaScript is executing. Next, on mouse over and on mouse out. On mouse over and on mouse out. So create one HTML form. On mouse over and on mouse out. Okay, on mouse out, two events. So if you want, so for example, when your mouse hover on the particular image, okay, gallery. So in gallery page, if you want to show the big image, when your mouse hover on a particular image, so you can use this event to show the big size image. Whenever mouse pointer, okay, cursor hover on that particular image. For example, image and source equal to, and there is no images in project folder. HTML, CSS. Okay, so ping is .jpg, and height is 100 pixels, and width also 100 pixels, and this is the image. So run this example. Okay, so when your mouse hover on that particular image, okay, mouse pointer hover on that particular image, so if you want to show the big size of image, so use on mouse over. Okay, on mouse over or on mouse center. Okay, you can use any one, on mouse over or on mouse enter. Show big image function. Okay, this keyword specify the current element. My image, my image dot style dot my image dot style dot height equal to 200 pixels. My image dot style dot width equal to 200 pixels. Okay, so run this. Style my image almost over. Okay, so image is size is increased. Okay, so like this, when your mouse pointer leave that image, okay, you can resize. Okay, you can reset the image size also. So by using on mouse on mouse on mouse over on mouse out. Okay, so normal image. Next function, my image one style dot height equal to, okay, previous height and width. Hundred pixels. So it will reset to the old size. Okay, so like this you can display the gallery images. And the remaining events also same. Okay, and on context menu real time example is, uh, so go to Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive. So you can right click here. Okay, if you right click in Google Drive, it will show the menu. Okay, new folder, upload files, and okay, upload folder, Google Docs, sheets, and more. Okay, you can show the context menu like this. Okay, by using JavaScript on context menu event. Okay, so do one example on like this. Okay, create a HTML form and write our CSS and JavaScript to display this menu like this. Okay, and this is the second assignment for today. First one is registration with email and password and phone number validations, and second example is on context menu.